Our 50-gram application is a simple view controller in which we have a UI image view, buttons to apply filters, a button to choose a photo from our camera roll, and a button to save our image. And so in the actual code for our application, we start by setting our class from UI view controller, UI image picker controller, and UI navigation controller delegate, which are um, this allows us to use these later on. I'm setting two variables at the beginning, which is context, which is used to apply filters, actually to save the image into memory, and original, which is just the image that the user gives us. And so these functions are just our filter options. These are predetermined by Apple and can be used through the method CI filter, and then just like basically saying which are the filters we want to use here. I implemented two new ones, which are CI Gaussian Blur and CI Pixelate, which I thought were really cool. Our function choose photo um, uses the method from UI image picker controller if a source type available, which means that our photo library runs good. We want our picker to um, to be set to our photo library for a source, and then we want like the navigation controller to present its photo library. The function image picker controller um, basically just tells us that the user already picked a photo, and then it dismisses the photo library, right? So that it goes back to our app, and then we let image equals the info of their original image that the user chose, and we displayed it in our image view.image, and we also save it in our original variable. Um, then our function display um, basically allows us to pass a filter and then display the filter. So this function is called after any one of the filters that are here um, is applied to the image. And so we pass on a filter, and our image view.image is the new image from the filter we created. And then to save our photo, we just want to set a temporary variable called image, which is the image view.image that we're displaying, and just UI image write this image to our save photos. So what we see if we run this program, we will see a simple view controller. So first we have nothing in our image. We go ahead and choose our photo by clicking on this button above. And what this does is that it opens the photo library for a photo picker. Notice that I have already opened this app before, but in case you hadn't, it will first ask you for permission to use the photo library. And so we open our camera roll. I'm sorry. we can pick an image. Um, these are images that are already preloaded by Apple into the simulator. And so then we can choose any of these buttons to apply a filter to it. So if you click sepia, you can also click like blur if you want a blurred version of the image. This or pixelate, which are the two new filters we're looking at here. And so then we can save this image. This saves it into a camera roll. And then if you go to choose a new photo, for example, we can see that the image was successfully saved into our camera roll here. And so this was 50 gram.